In this video, we demonstrate how to add file properties and tags to your documents, presentations, and spreadsheets in Microsoft 365. Giving your files meaningful names and adding file properties is helpful for anyone using assistive technology. It's also good practice in general, as it makes your files easier for anyone to find. When someone using a screen reader opens your file, the screen reader can announce the title and author, helping them confirm they've opened the correct document. Tags act like keywords, making your files easier to find using search tools, both in your own file system and in shared spaces like Teams or SharePoint. Having file tags and properties is also essential to comply with accessibility regulations, particularly when uploading content to platforms like Canvas or the university website. These platforms may check for this information, and files without proper properties may not meet accessibility standards. The process for adding file properties is the same in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Click File, then click Info. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Properties section. The most important properties to add are Title. Enter a descriptive title for your document. This doesn't have to match the file name, but it should clearly describe the content. For example, Nutrition Report. Author. Add your name as the author. This may already be populated based on your login credentials, but do check and add if not. Tags are custom keywords, phrases, or number strings relating to the file. These might be product names, item numbers, internal filing codes, project nicknames, or any terms that will help you or others find the file later. For example, for this nutrition document, I might add tags like healthy diet, calorie intake, adequate nutrients. When entering tags, they need to be separated using semicolons. Think about how you might search for this file in the future. What words would you use? Those are good candidates for tags. To view or add additional properties in a document, click Properties at the top of the Properties section, then select Advanced Properties. This opens a dialog box with several tabs. The Summary tab shows the same basic information we just entered: title, author, and tags, listed here as keywords. You can also add Subject, a brief description of the document's topic; Comments, any additional notes about the document such as its purpose or intended audience; Category, a classification that might be useful for organizing files. The Custom tab allows you to add specialized metadata that might be specific to your department or project. For example, you might add project codes, department names, version numbers, or review dates. These custom properties can be especially useful in collaborative environments or when managing large document repositories. Here are some best practices for file properties. Be consistent. If you work in a team, agree on tagging conventions. Be specific. Q3 2025 sales report is better than just report. Think about searching. What terms would someone use to find this file? Update when needed. If a document's purpose changes, update the properties. Don't overdo tags. 3 to 7 relevant tags are usually sufficient. The best time to add file properties is when you first save a document. However, you can add or update them at any time. If you're preparing a file to share or upload to Canvas or the university website, always check that the properties are complete.